How to fix the Outlook web, something went wrong, or the error 500. So that usually looks like this. So it says error 500, something went wrong. So if you are having this issue, what you can do is that we can do a few things for that. So the first thing that we can do is that we can just wait out the error. So sometimes Microsoft is having problems with the server. So from there, you can wait a few minutes to a few hours to see if the problem is now fixed. So if the problem is still persisting, what you can do is that you can delete the cache files from your browser. So to do that, just click the three dots right here and then go to settings. From there, go to privacy and security and then go to site settings. And then from here in the site settings, click view permissions and data across sites. From here, you can go ahead and filter Outlook right here. Then you can see some different applications. So you can either delete the microsoftonline.com or the microsoft.com right here. It's up to you, but I prefer using microsoftonline.com since this is mostly focused on the Outlook web application. So from here, you can either press the drop down button and delete this one by one, or you can just use the delete button right here to delete all of them at once. So keep in mind that when you do this, it will delete site data and permissions for microsoftonline.com, or in other words, Outlook, and all sites under it. And then you will be signed out of these websites, including in your open tabs. And then any offline data will be deleted, and then your chosen permissions will be removed. So after that, just click delete, and then go ahead and open Outlook again. And then what you need to do is that you just need to sign in to your account again. And then now you can see if the problem is now fixed. If you're still having some problems, what we can do is that we can use the command prompt feature in our desktop. So just go to search, then type in command prompt, and then click run as administrator. From there, click yes, and then we can use the following commands to reset the internet connection. So you can use this one, ipconfig flush DNS, paste it right here, or you can type it as well. And then this one, netsh winsock reset, and then netsh and IP reset. Now it's okay. Now you need to restart the computer to complete the action. So just go ahead and do that and then see if the problem is now fixed. So if you are still having some problems, what we can do now is that we can change the DNS of the IP address that you are using. So to do that, just go to the control panel. From here, go to the internet options, which is this one, internet options. So from here, I'm sorry, it's not this one. I think it's this one, network and sharing center. From here, click change adapter settings, and then you should be redirected to this one. So it's either you're using an Ethernet or you're using Wi-Fi. So just right click on that and then click properties. From here, you should open the Wi-Fi properties and then just go to IPv4, which is this one. And then click properties. Then you can use a manual DNS server right here. So for example, I will use the Google public DNS. And then it is this one, the 8888 and 8844. So just go ahead and use that as your preferred and alternate DNS server. So it's up to your preference if you want to use another DNS server. So there are a lot of public DNS that is available. So you can go ahead and search that. So I'm just going to use the Google public DNS as an example. So now you can go back and then try to reload Outlook if it is now working. And then that's it. So those are the possible solutions that we can do to fix the Outlook error that something went wrong, or in other words, the error 500. So I hope you learn how to fix it, and thank you for watching.